Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a product by LEVOIT. They reached out to me and I was really excited to review this product because I use air purifiers in my home all the time. So I do get the questions of, Hope, you have all men in your house. How do you keep it clean, or how do you keep the smells down? Well, one thing that I use all the time is an air purifier to keep fresh and clean. You don't want someone to come by and stop by your house and smell odors of food that you have cooked the prior day, or you go somewhere and your clothes smell like food from that you may have fried, or garlic or something like that. So I have an air purifier upstairs and downstairs, and I had them for some years now. So when they reached out, I was really excited to review this, and I knew that I needed another one in my home. Now, the LEVOIT, I really like it because it is sleek. It doesn't make a lot of noise at all. It's already on, guys, and you can't even hear it. It has a on and off function here. You just tap it. And then it has a fan. This is your fan function. So this is the high function, and it's not loud at all. There's the low setting, there's the medium, and I was running that on the medium while I was out, so I was still able to hear the TV. He was here with his big brothers. Or it also has a night light here if you want to keep this running. Some nights I do run a purifier, not the whole night, in my room, so I take it from the hallway to my room or to the boys' room all the time, guys. Sometimes every day, just like today, I am going past someone's room and I get a stench. I don't know what it is. I try to figure it out, and I run the air purifier. So a lot of times as well, our bedroom is above the kitchen, and when we moved into our home, I wish that I got the exhaust that goes outside, because I like to cook with garlic and other seasonings, and sometimes they can be really strong, and if the boys are down here cooking and they're not watching it, and sometimes I make a mistake and burn something, that smell goes straight to our bedroom. And so I wish I got that option, and since I don't, I run the air purifier at night in our room. And this is a great function where it has the night light. It loud at all, and it sounds like white noise, and I love the hum of like the fan in my room, so this sound right here doesn't bother me at all. It also has a function here, guys, where it has a timer of 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours. So right now I have ran it for 2 and 4 hours. I haven't did a 6 hour yet. And the different places, I had this for a couple of weeks now, so I got to play around with it, and it's really lightweight. So I've wanted it especially for JJ's room, so I can tote it back and forth to different rooms. You've seen most of my videos, it will not filtrate the entire downstairs area. You probably will have to move it to room. So this is perfect for my boys' room, my room, a smaller room, especially JJ's room. JJ is allergic to just about any and everything, guys. He did a allergy test. So I ran this last night and a couple of nights before in his room, and he was just sleeping just like a baby. So I had it on like the second speed for him. There's also an option to put it on a sleep mode here, so it will turn off and it will be on the lowest and the quietest setting. So if someone needs complete silence, and this function will be great for that. This function here will just turn your display screen on or off if you want the light, if that bothers you or not. And this function over here is just let you know that you need to change. It's like a shape of a filter. It will highlight when it's time to change the filter. This air purifier is a true HEPA air purifier, and it is a 3-stage filtration. So it has 3 filters, so you can make sure you get the purest of air. So the first filter is a nylon pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and then a high efficiency carbon filter. And when you get it, let's turn it off. You will just simply unscrew it. When you get it, it has like this compartment down here at the bottom, and you'll just simply unscrew it right here, guys. And it comes with the filter already in place, but you have to take the plastic off. So this is what the filter looks like. Once you take the plastic off, you're just gonna place it back in there, and then you're gonna screw it back on. I always have to remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Screw it back on, and then it's ready to go, guys. So guys, I will put all of the information to this air purifier down in the description box. I love an air purifier. I always have one running in the house, and I was excited when they reached out. I don't share a lot of reviews from a lot of different companies, but products that I use in my home, I'm really excited to share or to try them out so I can share them with you guys. And this one is a must in our home because of I have boys or men who love to work out. I have 5-year-old who has smells I don't even want to say, and then I have a teenager who, you know, sometimes you have to get after them about, you know, the body odor, and then also, you know, room smells and cooking smells, and you want your house to stay nice and clean and not just look nice but smell nice as well. And then most of all, my issue is my allergies. So the dust, the dander, the pollen, the mold, that really gets to me, JJ, just about everybody, I think, except Jason. I will make sure to put everything down in the description box so that you can check it out, especially on July the 15th and the 16th. It's Amazon Prime Day. There are a lot of things that I'm going to take advantage of, and this one thing you want to check out. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye-bye.